Okay, so what I'm working on here is a Samsung SCX3400, and it's got an automatic document feeder which has a broken hinge, as you can see right here. The other one's okay. The first thing I decided to do was try to find some videos on how to replace this hinge, and I only found some videos that would show how to disassemble the whole printer, combination printer scanner assembly, which is not really what I wanted to do. So I decided to experiment and try to pull it out without the whole disassembly. So the first thing I decided I had to do was to put in some support blocks right here, so when I open the cover, it will have a place to rest, because I don't want to disconnect the cable. It's kind of flimsy. So I already pulled it out, but I'm going to put it back in and show you how I took it out. So when I open the cover, it has a place to rest. I have already taken this piece out. It's just a clip-on piece. It goes right there, and it gives you a little more leeway here with the cable, so you can pull the cover a little bit farther apart. And this is the way it went. I push it in kind of hard, and then it won't come out easily anyway. So all I had to do was find a piece of sheet metal such as this, and I cut off a strip. It's basically soft sheet metal. You can bend it. It's not very thick. And I cut off the corners here, so it would be easier to insert. And it's about the same thickness as this. So all you need is a pair of pliers. And you insert this thing all the way down till it hits bottom, and you pull this up. You hold it with the pliers, and it's already broken, doesn't matter too much, and you start pulling up, and then pull this thing out, and it comes out. See? You put it in, all you do is reverse the process. I'm going to do it again. Put it in, it won't come out. Stick this piece in all the way to the bottom, till it bottoms out. You pull this up. Pull on it with the pliers till it jams a little bit. Then you pull this out, and it brings the whole thing out. It's that easy. Okay, so after pulling it out, see, this was already on. It was still good, I never took it off. And all you do is take the new one, and you make sure that you insert it the right way, same as this one. This tooth here is going to engage in the slot inside the hole. What you do is push firmly, and that's it. These are spring loaded, and you can't just bend them down, and so it's a matter of just lining up the cover against it, putting in the screws, and that's it. Printer's fixed.